What's going on, everyone? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at this 100-watt portable solar panel. Now, this could be something that you can use when you're on the go, you're traveling, camping, you're in an RV, and you need to keep your power stations charged up. This is going to be something that you may want to consider. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. All right, so once you get this open, the first thing you'll see is going to be the manual. It also has the information about the product and the company in here. And this is going to be the solar panel itself. Now, what's really cool is that it's a foldable solar panel unit in this briefcase design. And it's really, really premium. It even has a pocket section here for the cables that it comes with. It's a nice kit. It has a built-in stand with Velcro. So straps here to keep it propped up. This is a really, really cool design. I'm pretty impressed. So let's go ahead and unfold this so we just press the tabs and that unfolds the solar panels. And we get a total of 4 panels. Now you can see that this is well made. The panels are made with 7 layers of protection, and it's also going to generate about 24% of energy. So this is going to be able to give you about 18 volts of power. This is laid out really nice. And what's really cool is that this is protected also against different weather conditions. So whether it's rain or dusty, it can handle all types of weather conditions. Now in this pocket area here, you just unzip it. And this is where your cables and the connection for the power output is going to be. So here we have our built-in MC4 connection. So basically this is going to be your power station. So maybe you have a bigger power station unit that has these connections for solar panels. You can connect that straight to it, or you can go ahead and use the adapters that it come with. So you have an adapter set here for a DC connection. They also provide you with this nice USB cable setup here. So you have a 3-in-1 USB connection. So this would be a USB 3, USB-A on one end, and then you have a Lightning connection for your iPhones. You also have USB-C for pretty much any type of mobile device. And you also have a mini connection. So this is going to be for some of the older devices. Some devices still use these batteries as well if you need to recharge a smaller battery. This is going to be great as far as a 3-in-1 connection. Now you have a DC kit here, connector kit. So it depends on what type of power station, some type of device that require these different type of connectors, you're all set there. You also have these clips. If you need to go ahead and anchor down the solar panel, you can do that. Maybe it's windy conditions. This can help do that, or help carry this or mount it in a higher position. Now, one thing I like about this solar panel kit is that it's all in one. So it's easy to unpack and set up, and it's easy to go ahead and pack it up and get it stored away. So this is really, really convenient. And like I said, you can use this to provide power for all types of devices. It's going to be a 100-watt solar panel with 24% efficiency with 4 adjustable angles. So you have a 25-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, and a 65-degree angle that you can set this up. Now this unit weighs in about 9 pounds. Once again, it's ultra portable, and you get 7 layers of protection on the panel itself. So guys, once again, this is going to be the 100-watt portable solar panel for your power stations, your devices, for anything that you may want to get powered up and re-energized. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.